In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Crew Motorfest Error 0_1 unable to connect. So first thing you want to do is go to CMD and then right click, run as administrator. So here you're going to write the following commands. So first type ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS. Now next you want to write net winsock reset catalog. So once you do this, you can close this down, and then here you'll go to your internet. So right click, go to settings, and then here you'll go to inside of your internet and then the DNS server assignment. Change this to manual, enable IPv4. Then type in 8.8.8.8, then type 8.8.4.4 and then press save. Now back here, you want to make sure that the proxy option is disabled. Use the proxy server, make sure this is off. Then you can close this down and this should fix the error.